Oh, I definitely have done that.
I did the other day into your chest.
That needs some explanation, doesn't it, probably?
Oh, yes.
Just keep going.
You just keep going, just plowing through, you make it past the action.
Yeah.
Just live it, live that moment.
Well, no, it's a very dramatic moment when we wake up and we think we're going to get sentenced to death and everything, and we're like hugging and very sad, crying, and I couldn't, just went in right here.
Oh, you did, yeah. I think it was mic'd as well, so it was probably quite loud in the auditorium.
So bad. No, because it was happening in the audience, and I was like, oh,
Yeah.
that's going to happen to me right now. I can feel it, and then it did. I do apologise.